happy Star Wars Day. Yes, today is Star Wars Day. I know people would dispute that by saying it's actually the anniversary of the day Star Wars was released, but lots of places are celebrating Star Wars Day today, May 4th. May the 4th be with you. And we are doing the same. We're celebrating with you guys, and we wanted to do this special video. And first thing I wanted to start off with before we went into the content of the video is to announce the winner of the Lego giveaway. During Star Wars Celebration, if you watch our merchandise haul video, which you should, go ahead and check that out now. I'll put the link maybe here, maybe somewhere. You will see who won the Lego Star Wars giveaway. Let's go ahead and do that now.
Okay, so I took all the names of everyone who left a comment on our Lego giveaway video, and as you can see, there are 68 folks who commented, 68 unique folks who commented on the video. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to, in Excel, pick a random number, and I'm going to let Excel do it for me, so that it's entirely random, and I don't know who wins until Excel tells me. So I'm going to do equal random number equal random between, I think is what it is. Random number between, yep, random number between 1 and 68. And let's see who our winner is of the Lego giveaway. It is number 12. So number 12 is Chris Stiles. Chris Stiles, congratulations. Okay, I loaded up Chris Stiles' comment. He says, huge Star Wars fan. I would like to be entered. Love your channel. Always look forward to your Hollowscream walkthroughs and other events, but biased to Hollowscream since I am one of the scare actors in Williamsburg. That is awesome. Chris, congratulations. It's awesome that a scare actor won this contest, and looking forward to sending it to you. So keep an eye out on your YouTube messages, because I will reach out on YouTube Messenger to let you know that you've won the contest.
If you didn't win, do not worry. There are a couple of consolation prizes that are coming out, and we have further giveaways down the pike for you guys, as well as great content, Star Wars or otherwise. So, but today, what I wanted to go over with you guys is the Rise of Skywalker. As you saw when we were at Star Wars Celebration, we saw the trailer, the cast was in the room. It was a fantastic experience, really a blast. But Force Friday isn't until Saturday, or not even Saturday. It's on October 4th, which I think is actually a Thursday or Friday maybe. This year is Triple Force Friday, where they will be releasing merchandise for for Rise of Skywalker, The Mandalorian, and Jedi Fallen Order. But there may be some Star Wars Rise of Skywalker Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker merchandise already out in stores. In fact, I'm wearing some of it. This shirt is not the shirt that they sold at Star Wars Celebration Designed by Humans, is the company that designed that. You can actually check out their website. They are selling a similar shirt to the Rise of Skywalker shirt that they sold at Star Wars Celebration, just without the Star Wars Celebration tag, which you can only see inside the shirt. This is actually the Amazon shirt. It is an official shirt, Star Wars shirt, the Rise of Skywalker. You can get it right now on Amazon.com/Star Wars and get a bunch of different merchandise, including shirts for The Mandalorian, Jedi Fallen Order, posters, and a bunch of cool stuff like that. But that isn't the only Rise of Skywalker merchandise I wanted to show you guys today. I got a package in the mail, and I think between this and the t-shirt, this may be some of the first officially released Rise of Skywalker merchandise. And I wanted to show you guys because I'm pretty sure it's still available, and you can go right now to tops.com and get some of your own. So Topps released some special edition Rise of Skywalker trailer based on the first teaser trailer, trading cards. And so it was $9.99 in the US. I don't know how much it is internationally. $9.99, free shipping and handling, and they sent these cards in this plastic case, and I wanted to show you guys the cards. So I'm gonna go ahead and open them up. I think it's 10 cards. So yes, 10 cards for $10. Trading cards have gone up in price since I was a kid, and they don't include bubblegum anymore. But let's take a look. So here is the Rise of Skywalker first card, seen from the trailer. I don't know if you can see that or if there's a glare. Let's try here. Yeah, I think you can see it now. And if it's blurry, let's do this. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see that. And on the back, the Rise of Skywalker trailer set is your first look at the last installment in the Skywalker saga. That's card 1. Card 2 features Rey. Says the same thing on the back. Card number 3 is Kylo Ren putting his helmet back together. Card number 4, Kylo Ren doing battle in the woods. Trying to do this without glare. Card number 5 is the cast all together, as we saw in the trailer, perhaps overlooking the remnants of the Death Star. We don't know on what planet, but we assume it's the forest moon of Endor. Card number 6 features Rey running from the TIE fighter that we assume is being driven by Kylo Ren. But is he angling for her to take her out? Or is her whole backflip maneuver thing where she's about to slice open the TIE fighter actually a maneuver that she's doing to save Kylo Ren from an out-of-control TIE fighter that he needs to eject from? That's one of the theories I've seen. We'll see. Here's the other angle on that cast overlooking the Death Star. Aha! It's Billy D. Lando Calrissian in one of the greatest moments of the teaser trailer. Next up, we have BB-8 and Dio. And finally, looking over the Medal of Yavin. Very heartwarming moment in the trailer. So these are the 10 cards. Like I said, you can go to topps.com. I'll put the link right here in the video so you guys can order a set if you like them. They're really nice. They're shiny. They're glossy. They come in the nice protective case. And they may, as far as I know, be some of the first official Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker merchandise out on store shelves. Well, available for retail purchase. There was a package, a giant package that I stood that's funny, a giant box that I stood in that featured the key art that will be on the new upcoming Rise of Skywalker toys. I'll insert that image here so you guys can see it. That will be the packaging that you're going to be looking for on Triple Force Friday, October 4th, 2019. Of course, just like the last 2 Force Fridays and Rogue Friday, you know we're going to be out there at either Disney Store, Target, or whatever we can get to, and we're going to bring you guys along with us. So if you're excited for that, you're excited about upcoming Star Wars merchandise, you're excited about all the cool things that we're going to be showcasing this summer, theme parks, merchandise, conventions, there's a bunch of fun stuff coming. Make sure you've hit the subscribe button down below. Hit that notification button. It's a little bell. It'll notify you when I put a new video up. give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below whether you like the video or not. Give us some feedback on if you like more stuff like this, if you want to see more merchandise, or just whatever you're interested in. Because, like I said, there are giveaways, but they are exclusive to subscribers. And there are more things coming. So thank you guys for watching. We will see you next time.